Okay, no. So I am assembled it. I connected it to the AC power. These cables are labeled and also the slots, so you are able to put it together quite easily. And you need to plug it to the AC power. And I not quite installed the computer and the software for it, but I just want to see that it's moving or turning or spinning or doing something. So I just turn it on, and they have some fans in the back of it, so I think it's cooling down the machine. Anyway, I could turn on the spindle, this one, and I am able to adjust the speed of the spindle, and it's going to turn. I hope you can see if the spindle is turning. I think this is the most thing I can do without any computer and software, but I plan to do it right tonight and see what's happened when I hook up the computers. But it's at least it's spinning. Okay, the only thing I cannot understand what this emergency stop button does, because if I turn it on or turn it, that didn't do anything. So it's still spinning, and I don't know what these numbers do, but it's ensuring to have an emergency stop button that doesn't do anything. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, it's working.